You gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull.
Today, I'm going to compare the OnePlus Nord 4 with the Poco F6, focusing on performance test, gaming test, battery endurance test, and charging test. The OnePlus Nord 4 is a rebranded version of the OnePlus Ace 3V launched in China, while the Poco F6 is a rebranded version of the Redmi Turbo 3 also launched in China. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider the subscribing and turning on the notifications by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So, let's compare both phones, and in this video, we can also see a comparison between the Snapdragon 8S Gen 3 and the Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 processors. Both phones are set to launch in the mid-segment market. I've already uploaded unboxing and detailed review videos for both, so you should already be familiar with their features and specs. One standout feature is the dimensional glass textures found on the back of the OnePlus Nord 4 or Ace 3V. Let's start with the performance test of both phones, beginning with the Antutu benchmark score. Interestingly, the Xiaomi Civi 4 Pro scored slightly lower despite having the same Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Now, let's take a look at the Poco F6 or Turbo 3. Both phones come with the same RAM and storage configurations, 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage. The performance test for both phones was conducted under the same room temperature conditions. No settings have been changed on both phones, they are still in their default settings. So, let's check the Antutu benchmark scores for both. Surprisingly, the OnePlus Nord 4 scores higher at 1.51 million, while the Poco F6 or Redmi Turbo 3 scores around 1.46 million. Let's run the Antutu benchmark one more time to confirm. Even after running it again, the OnePlus Nord 4 maintains its lead with a score of 1.51 million, while the Poco F6 scores around 1.46 million. After this test, the OnePlus Nord 4 has 90% battery remaining, while the Poco F6 has 89% battery remaining. Now, let's move on to the second round, which is the gaming test. First, let's check the performance of both phones while running King of Glory and Genshin Star Dome Railroad, a heavy game. After playing King of Glory, the Poco F6 has 65% battery remaining, while the OnePlus Nord 4 has 67% battery remaining. You can see the performance and temperature of both phones during the gaming test for all three games. There's a slight gap noticeable between both phones, with the OnePlus Nord 4 showing slightly higher average frame rates. When it comes to Genshin Impact, power consumption is almost the same on both phones. Across all games, the OnePlus Nord 4 consistently delivers better average frame rates, and its temperature remains slightly lower. So, overall, the OnePlus Nord 4 performs better in terms of gaming performance. After the Antutu test and playing 3 medium to heavy games, the OnePlus Nord 4 has 28% battery remaining, while the Poco F6 or Turbo 3 has 23% battery remaining. Now, let's watch a 1-hour video. After playing the video for 1 hour, the OnePlus Nord 4 has 20% battery remaining, while the Poco F6 has 13% battery remaining. You can see the result of the battery endurance test here. The OnePlus Nord 4 offers better battery life compared to the Poco F6. You can also check out the comprehensive battery life test review for more details. Let's move on to the charging test. Both phones are switched off for this test. We'll observe the charging time for both. The OnePlus Nord 4 reaches 40% charge in just 10 minutes, while the Poco F6 reaches 27% charge. Both phones have turbo charging enabled. After 20 minutes, the OnePlus Nord 4 is at 72% charge, whereas the Poco F6 is at 51% charge. After 30 minutes, the OnePlus Nord 4 reaches 100% charge. In this test, we've observed the performance, battery life, and charging speed of both the OnePlus Nord 4 and the Poco F6. Across all tests, the OnePlus Nord 4 outperforms the Poco F6. Not only does it offer better battery life, but it also charges faster. Additionally, the OnePlus Nord 4 features a glass back, dual GPS support, and an IP65 rating, further enhancing its appeal. So overall, the OnePlus Nord 4 performs better. And friends, both phones are set to be launched in the global market this month. So what you guys think about it? Tell us your thoughts in the comments section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, as me signing off, thanks for watching, have a great day and keep smiling, and I will see you in the next one.
Focus on yourself first.